On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make these wonderful poinsettia Christmas earrings. I have stamped my Christmas poinsettia from Heartfelt Creations Christmas poinsettia set. I have colored most of them with the alcohol pens, and I'm going to finish this last one. I'm going to add a little yellow up here just because I like it. I'm going to add some green. I'm using like a moss green, and I will possibly go back and even add some more color. Then I'm using a nice poppy red. Now this alcohol ink on top of JudiKins matte coat gets really shiny, and I really like that look. Depending on which paper you use will depend on what colors you will get. And we are ready to die cut our poinsettias. Now we have die cut with the matching die cut our poinsettias. This is the poinsettia mold, and so I'm going to put my poinsettias in here in the matching size. There's 3 different sizes of poinsettia. So I'm only going to use 2 sizes, and that will do for what I need. Now I'm going to mist them with a light bit of water. That's enough, not much. And then you're going to put your top of your mold on. I'm using my Sizzix die cutting machine, but any machine will work, and you just run it through. You will have to find out what your recipe is for doing this. Unmold and dump. You will need to allow these to dry before you go any further. Let's see how pretty they curled. Okay, now I'm going to glue my flowers together, my petals together. I'm going to use 2 big ones and a little one. I'm using this little bit of end of a dowel to do my gluing because as I glue, I want to push into it, and I really didn't want the glue on something else. And just use your favorite craft glue, quick drying glue. While it is like that, you can definitely add some glass beads for your center because you've already got the glue sitting in there. Now that I've got it in the tiny tray, I'm squishing again. I'm going to throw some glass beads on there. Now, we can take the glass beads and put them back, but I'm going to let them sit there until it's dried. Okay, I'm going to paint some diamond glaze onto my poinsettia. This will strengthen it, but also makes it shinier, because I like shine. I am doing it after it's all done because I didn't want to mess up any of the curl. I wanted to keep its integrity there. So you just paint each petal. Now, I recommend that you paint both the back side and the front side. That will make it stronger, especially for an earring. I have glued a button to a post to give a little bit more width. Okay, we're going to put some glue on our flower, take our post, and stick them together. And this time it's drying faster. And there you are.